Today I will discuss equality of two functions. Equality of functions. Two functions f1 and f2 are said to be equal if first, domain of f1 is equal to domain of f2. Second, codomain of f1 is equal to codomain of f2. Third, fx1 is equal to fx2 for all x belongs to common domain. If two functions are equal, then their domain will be equal, codomain will be equal, and fx1 is equal to fx2 means their range will be equal. Fx1 is range of function f1, fx2 means range of function f2. For example, let a is equal to 0 1 and b is equal to 1 2 and f such that a tends to b given by fx is equal to x plus 1 and g such that a tends to b given by gx is equal to x square plus 1. F and g are two functions are given here where fx is equal to x plus 1 and gx is equal to x square plus 1. Then we observe that f and g have common domain. F and g have common domain. F and g both having domain 1 and codomain 2. Codomain B here. F and G both having domain A and codomain B. Then we observe that F and G have same domain and codomain also. Then f0 is equal to, put here x is equal to 0, then f0 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and g0 is equal to, put here g is equal to 0, 0 square plus 1 is equal to 1, then f0 is equal to 1 and g0 is equal to 1 is implies that f0 is equal to g0. Second, f1 is equal to, put here x is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and g1 is equal to, put here g is equal to x is equal to 1, then g1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2 is implies that f1 is equal to g1. These two values are equal, then f is equal to g. f0 is equal to g0, f1 is equal to g1, then f is equal to g. डोमेन में जो हम पॉइंट्स ले रहे हैं x इक्वल टू 0 1 और उससे fx की वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहे हैं, फिर डोमेन हम g का भी वही ले रहे हैं 0 1 और उससे g0 g1 निकाल रहे हैं, वो वैल्यूज इक्वल आ रही हैं. तो जो हमारा कंडीशन है वो सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है कि कॉमन डोमेन है इन दोनों में, सेम कोडोमेन है, सेम डोमेन है और fx1 fx2. लास्ट में हम क्या फाइंड कर रहे हैं, fx1 इक्वल टू fx2 दिखा रहे हैं कि इनके रेंज भी सेम है इन डोमेन के लिए. इसका मतलब है कि दीज टू फंक्शंस आर इक्वल और दोनों के रेंज क्या आ रहे हैं, दोनों के रेंज 1 2 आ रहे हैं. 0 और 1 पर इनके रेंज क्या आ रहे हैं 1 2, जी के भी रेंज आ रहे हैं 1 2, देन f इक्वल टू जी. Second topic is real function. Which function is said to be real function? Any function whose domain and codomain are subsets of real numbers is called a real function f such that r tends to r. Here r is said to be domain and here r is said to be codomain. F is said to be function. Here f is real valued function. Here f is real valued function. Then domain of real function f such that r tends to r be a real function. Then domain f is equal to x such that x belongs to r and fx belongs to r. Then x is said to be domain. X belongs to all r, all set of real number. X will be set of real number. Then domain f is equal to x such that x बिलोंग्स टू r, एफ एक्स बिलोंग्स टू r। जो ये r है, x इसी के सारे एलिमेंट्स को डिनोट करता है, यानी x इस डोमेन के सभी एलिमेंट को डिनोट करता है। तो डोमेन यहाँ पर सेट होगा df इक्वल टू x सच दैट x बिलोंग्स टू r एंड एफ एक्स बिलोंग्स टू r। रेंज ऑफ रियल फंक्शन, द सेट ऑफ images fx for all x belongs to df domain f is called range of f and it is denoted by rf is equal to fx such that for all x belongs to df। fx की वैल्यू का सेट जो fx आएगा वो रेंज कहलाएगा एंड रेंज इज सबसेट ऑफ कोडोमेन। हियर fx इज सबसेट ऑफ codomain. Codomain is set of real number. Then range of f is equal to fx such that for all x belongs to df. Okay.